guess what? We're going to New York today. Y hace un frío de tres par.
You have the sniffles?
Yes. Baby, can you hold my mental card? I'm scared I'm gonna lose it. Because I put my hand in.
The problem is that I can't take my coffee maker with me. So what can I do? Tengo que parar en Dunkin' Donuts 6 veces al día because it's snowing in Hialeah, in New York, not Hialeah, New York. Tengo la música puesta, I'm getting in the mood, in the zone. Mira, escucha, los tigritos. That's how we do breakfast around here.
You have the sniffles?
Yes.
Cuba's coming up next. Next trip. And then we're going to Hawaii with Daniela for her birthday. Can't wait. It's gonna be an exciting year. Gotta work hard. Gotta make shit happen. Gotta make $10 million this year.
You have the sniffles?
Yes.
$10 million. How am I gonna do it? Hay que vender cookie.
You have the sniffles?
Yes.
Que pasarse vendiendo cookie. So I'm gonna take this piece. Player status, my nigga. Hello.
Okay, what are you doing?
You have the sniffles?
Yes.